You guys want to see this cool bird? Check it out. Lolita. Lolita. Say hi. Say hi, Lolita. Say hi. I'm going to feed it. Lolita. Get Carmen. Tell it to say hi. Tell Lolita to say hi. Will she say hi? Alright. Just I'm going to feed her.
Hi, girl. Hi, Lolita.
Lolita. Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi.
Shake. Shake. Aww. Hi. Here you go.
Hi.
Here you go.
Did
Good
he
girl.
say hi?
Good girl.
Did he say hi? Let's get Farah one of those snacks.
Here's Farah. Farah. Come here, Farah. Come on, Farah. Come on, Farah. Come on. Step up. Come on. Come on. Step up. Step up. Don't bite me. Step up. Step up. Release my fear. Step up. Don't bite. Come on, little punk. Come on. Step up. Step up. Step up. Oh, I got scared for a second there. Alright, here she is. Come on. Come on, Farah. Look at the little girl. Farah. Step up, you little punk. Come on. Farah, step up. Ow! You little... Okay, I'm gonna rip your head off. Step up. Okay, that hurt. I'm bleeding. Okay, I'm gonna get her out of here. I'm gonna get her out of here. I'm gonna use the stick first. Come on. Step up. This is how I do it. I get this and get her out with the stick. This is my mom's bird. That really hurt. Ow. Come on, Farah. Okay, let's start over. Come on, Farah. Get down. Get down. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on the stick. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here, you little punk. You little devil. Little devil. I'm not going to hurt you. Come on. I'm trying to get her on the stick. Then she'll come out and I get her out here on the top. Then I'll do this. Alright, check this out. That hurt, man. Come on, Farah. Come on. Step up. Step up. Step up. Oh, you do, baby. Oh, you sissy. Come on. Step up. I'm not going to hurt you. Don't bite me. Step up. Step up. Ow! Step up. Hurt. Come on, Farah. Come on, Farah. Come on. I want you to say hi. I taught you how to say hi. She can say hi, too. You say hi. Come on. Step up. Step up. Farah. Come on. Step up. Farah, step up. Okay, I'm gonna pop your little neck off. Come on, step up. Step up. Come on, step up. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Isn't she pretty? Look, oh, I got her. Say hi, Lolita. Say hi. I mean, Farah. Farah. She just bit the heck out of me. Farah, say hi. Hi. Hi.
Here we go.
Hi.
Here we go.
Say hi.
Can you give her a new one?
That's a peanut.
Oh.
And I'm
She's
not
scared.
giving it to her because she bites me now, too.
Okay.
Why are you giving it to her?
You bite, man. Back to Lolita.
Lolita.
Lolita. Mom, get her to talk.
I can't. She don't talk
my mama.
anymore.
Okay.
Say hello, bird.
Give me kisses. No kiss. She don't pay any mind to me anymore. My mom's
Alright, no more.